Most people think maintenance jobs are low paying, low skill. But what if I told you that fixing a leaky pipe or unclogging a drain could be the first step to building a $1 million business? Today, I'm going to break down exactly how to build a maintenance empire, step by step. No fluff. Just real, profitable strategies. Step 1. Master a single skill. Start with one thing. 1. Plumbing, electrical, HVAC, painting, doesn't matter. Just become the go-to expert at it. Don't try to do everything at first. Nail down your process, pricing, and speed. People pay premium for reliable specialists. Step 2. Brand yourself. Once your skill is solid, build a brand. Not just a business card, I mean a name people remember. Achuma. Clean uniforms. Branded vans. Consistent look online and offline. People don't hire some guy, they hire brands. That trust lets you charge more and stand out fast. Step 3. Go digital. Set up your Google business profile, Facebook page, and even TikTok or Instagram. Post simple videos, before and afters, customer reviews, time-lapse jobs. Use tools like Jobber, HouseCall Pro, or Square to schedule jobs, send invoices, and track your money. Being digital makes you look 10x more professional than 90% of your competition. Step 4. Build a crew. You can't build an empire alone. Hire your first helper. Teach them your system. Then another. Soon, you're managing a team. You're not trading hours for dollars anymore. You're multiplying time. While your team handles jobs, you focus on growth. Step 5. Stack services. Once you have a crew, offer more services: lawn care, drywall repair, deep cleaning, pest control. Bundle them. Create monthly maintenance plans. Now you're not just fixing problems, you're managing homes or buildings. That's big money territory. Step 6. Expand or franchise. If you're killing it locally, expand. Hire managers, open in a second location, or even franchise your system. Sell your success blueprint to others. You don't need to invent an app or go viral. You just need to solve everyday problems better than anyone else. From toolbox to tycoon. Start now. This is Achuma Maintenance, where hustle meets hands-on.